This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Before disassembling the brake, wash it thoroughly with brake system cleaner and allow it to dry. Hold the caliper guide pins with one wrench while loosening the caliper mounting bolts. Then remove the caliper bolts. Remove the caliper and hang it with a length of wire. Don't let it hang by the hose. Use needle nose pliers or a caliper piston rotating tool to rotate the piston clockwise while pushing it back in the caliper. Make sure the fluid in the master cylinder reservoir doesn't overflow. One of the notches must be at the bottom position to align with the pin on the inner pad. Remove the outer brake pad. Remove the inner brake pad. Remove and inspect the pad support plates, then reinstall, or replace if necessary, and lubricate them with a light film of high temperature brake grease. Pull out the caliper guide pins and clean them. Then apply a coat of high temperature grease to the pins and reinstall them in the caliper bracket. Install the pads and caliper. Tighten the caliper mounting bolts to a torque of 19 foot-pounds.